So, because of everything that's going on in the world right now, a lot of us, including me, have been working from home, and I have been having to make a lot of calls, and I'm using this cheap headset, but I want a better place to put it down. I don't really like resting it down on my desk because it gets in the way of some things. A while ago I made this little phone stand out of some wood, so I think today we're gonna make a headphone stand out of some wood. So let's go. Alright, so first thing I should do is probably take some dimensions of these headphones. So, let's see, I'll need about 9 inches of clearance. That's really it. That's really the only important measurement, is from, the part where it's resting on my head all the way down to clearing the cord. It's about 9 inches. So I think I'm gonna wanna make it about maybe 10 inches tall. I think that would look pretty nice. I've got plenty of wood to work with. I just want to see which one I want to use for the base, and I'm thinking I want to use the widest piece I have. So that looks like it's going to end up being, I think I'll start out with this one for the base. So first thing I want to do is square up those ends as they're still rough cut. So, little fun fact about this hand plane, it's actually my uncle's grandfather's hand plane. It's super cool, and I actually did a small video on refurbishing it a little bit and restoring it to its former glory. You can find that video up in the corner over there, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Now it's nice and flat and smooth, but the only problem is it's not square. So that means I have to take more off of this edge and that edge. So I have to very carefully start trimming down that side, and then I can do the same to this right here. So another thing that it appears I'm gonna have to do is flatten it this way, just because over the time that this piece of wood dried, it slowly cupped like that. That's an exaggeration, but it needs to be done. I already did this side. It's nice and flat, so I just gotta do this side. Now I really like what's going on with this little taper that may or may not have been added accidentally. I think it'll make the stand make you look up to the top where you're going to be putting the headphones. Now we wanted about 9 inches of clearance, so it's going to be about here. So with one accurate cut here, we'll get our base as well as the top. I am very happy with the way this little stand turned out. It is extremely easy to use. I think it looks pretty good as well. And since it's made out of some nice strong oak, it's gonna last forever too. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.